Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia X20 to an Android device. Start by going into Play Store on both devices. Then tap on the search bar, type and Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. After that, open it. Over here, select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now, finally, you can select Send on a Nokia and Receive on an Android. Then tap on all of those dots and select Send. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them. It will take some time, sorry. So I will go with only one file, like this photo, just send and click on Get It. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key over here. Lastly, select Receive, and now after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!